Hello, this is Jay and Daddy for Hookahpro.com, doing an unboxing review for Hookahset. Ordered a 36-inch Ferroni, and I had to wait about a month to get it, but I already knew that before I ordered it. Mark was real cool about it. He let me, I also switched it to a Kamanja wheat about 2 weeks ago, or a week or two ago anyway, and he sent that out, so he's really good about that. The only problem I've had so far is he sent it to my old address, so I had to go by my old apartment office and get it. That kind of pissed me off, but it wasn't too bad, I guess. Yeah, I'm supposed to have Nakla Khan Khalil, 250 of Nakla Zagul, base protector, a charcoal, let's see, supposed to have a 108 piece of Kanar coals and a Tamash hose, and 250 Tangiers Cashmere apple. Let's see what's in it. I'm also supposed to have a wash of Kanara hose with my hookah. Packaged pretty well with packing peanut and a bunch of newspaper. I don't know what kind of hose this is. Not the Tamesh. It's a lot nicer than the Tamesh though. This is L Asmar 2000. Made in Egypt. Cool. Free charcoal. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to have 3 250s of El Henway. There's my cherry I ordered. There's the orange, which I didn't order. There's melon. I ordered that. My base protector ordered. There's my Kanar coals in the new box. That's cool. There's my Khan Khalil Nakla tobacco. There's my Tangiers Cashmere apple. Put my Zaguls in this box. The wrong base. It's a Khalil Mamoon. Not that bad looking, I guess. I'm going to try and get my other one though, because I really wanted the other base. It's weird looking. Got a really glass is kind of messed up on that. Got a weird dip in it. See from the outside too. I really don't like this base. It looks like a grandma base or something. It's kind of hideous. I'm going to try and get that switched out. Got a free base brush, that's pretty cool. There's my Canara washable hose, hopefully. Yep. Just can't take the tip. Come up. Oh no, I don't want to risk it. It's a pretty nice hose. Seems like a good draw. Egyptian bowl. Chipped to hell and back, but that's alright. Pair of really weird looking tongs. Stem brush, another base protector. Standard KM tray. And some manja wheat. No purge ball, but I got a couple of those anyway. Oh, that is really badass. This is the nickel-plated version. I didn't expect that at all. It's nickel-plated version where they cut it away and it shows the brass. Macho Camacho's got one of these. He had to order special. That is actually really, really fucking cool. That is awesome. Really happy about that. The copper downstem. These are apparently really hard to find. I'm very, very happy about that. But they forgot my Zagul though. Man, this is really badass. I'm sure he'll send me my Zagul though. No, I don't really care too much about. I think I'm supposed to get banana instead. But oh well. I'll take the orange, but I do want my Zagul. I want to trade out that base. But see, because of screwing up the shipment. I don't think I got all the grommets I was supposed to either. I know, there's a grommet. There's the bowl anyway. But just for screwing up and sending it to the wrong place, I'll have to give him an 8 out of 10. But everything else is pretty good, and I'm sure he'll fix my Zagul and my base there. This has been Jane Daddy for HookahPro.com, your one source for everything hookah.